So look, in today's video, I'm going to be going over the exact strategies that we use to literally go from 0 to 30K per day in sales from TikTok. And no, that is not TikTok ads, that is TikTok organic. I'm literally going to be showing you the exact strategies to be able to make a post on TikTok and quite literally see it get a ton of views and potentially even sell out your inventory, get you thousands of leads, book out your calendar, and scale up your overall store sales. What's up, y'all? It's your favorite digital marketer, Chappell here, and I'm going to be showing you how to get $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 in sales per day from TikTok. And we've literally done this with tons of client accounts, and I'm going to be breaking down these exact strategies for you. So before we head into the video, make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because it really does help the algorithm. And I want you to stop and think, what could $30,000 in sales do for your business? Is that a game-changing situation to be able to see those kinds of sales every single day? And if so, would you be able to handle it? Would you have enough inventory? Would you be able to handle all of these leads? Well, it's very possible that you could be seeing numbers just like this if you use the strategy I'm going to be showing you in this video. So let's go ahead and jump into the strategy so that way we can go over it. And what you can see is in this actual account, this is one of our clients, and you can see here that there is a $30,000 day that happened. And if we scroll down, we'll notice that quite literally most of it's actually coming from TikTok. All of the traffic's coming from TikTok, and that is through organic TikTok posts. And you'll notice that a lot of these individuals who come from these actual TikTok posts not only directly click the link in the actual profile, but they quite literally are searching for the brand from a TikTok post. So they're seeing the video, they're searching it, and could you imagine having 23,000 visitors hit your site in a single day and you get over 30,000 in sales? But not just once, 2 times this happened in 1 month, in just a few days apart of each other. Another $33,000 sales day in this case, and you can see primary sessions are coming from TikTok and the sales by social source, TikTok, with the search being very high. And we know that this brand doesn't really rank for SEO because they're brand new. And so all of these individuals are literally seeing the video from TikTok, searching it, and hitting their actual site and making a purchase all from these videos. And I'm going to be breaking down this exact strategy that brands are using to be able to achieve numbers like these, so that way you can as well. And I'm not going to be able to show you our actual client video, but I am going to be breaking down videos that are very similar to it, and I'm going to show you quite literally how you can understand this formula to be able to achieve such incredible numbers with your business. And if you think about it, you don't have to spend a single dollar on ads. You can quite literally be getting these types of sales all organically through TikTok. And we actually covered a video before right here where we went over TikTok versus Facebook ads and broke down the differences between the platforms. And you can see that tons of people are flooding from Facebook to TikTok right now, and this is currently where the attention is. And here's a video from Sour Strips. This is a video where they quite literally just filmed somebody actually opening a bag of sour strips, and we can watch it here. And it's a super simple video of somebody literally just pulling a sour strip out of this bag. And there's text in the video, them opening another bag of sour strips, and by the end of it, they just show a bunch of empty sour strip bags. It's illustrating the point essentially that they ate all of it and it was super delicious, right? That's what you can gain from the context of this video. They say the 4 bags I just ate, and that really drives a lot of attention to this video because now individuals are curious what it tastes like. You know, what are sour strips? Are they really that good? Where can they buy them? And you can quite literally see that people in the comment section are saying, these are so good, I have 2 packs in my room. Lots of people are seeing that. And then people are saying, why did you have to show me cotton candy? Because they're excited about it. People are asking, where can they buy those from? People are saying that they are seriously the best sour candy out there, and they just ordered another box. Where do you get these? Where do you get them at? People are asking how they can get them. People are commenting that they're so good. This is driving a lot of FOMO of individuals actually wanting to go and make this purchase now, and they want to know where they can get it And this is going to be sending a ton of people to their actual site, all from one video. And this video got nearly 200,000 likes. And as you saw, there is no major edits, there's no post-production really happening here. This is a very organic video, and it was only 6 seconds long, but it played to the strengths of the actual TikTok algorithm. And TikTok's algorithm is super powerful, and being able to give you the opportunity to get incredible numbers of views. This video literally did 2.2 million views, all from a 6-second clip of somebody just eating sour strips. And they didn't show their face, it was simply them pulling out a sour strip out of this bag, and this video got millions of views, hundreds of thousands of likes, and tons of people are asking where can they buy this. And so now you're getting all these individuals who are going to the site, making the purchase, and you can quite literally see from a video like this, it could send 10, 20, 30, 40, even $100,000 worth of sales to your site in a single day without spending a dollar on ads. And so let's go ahead and look at another one, because you can see in the comments, everybody's talking about how they just got some. They're so good, and people are super excited about it. If we go to another video, this is from Alpha Elite Athletics. And here's a video right here that we can watch as well. And so this is another video that's very simple. It's 5 seconds long, but it plays to the strengths of the algorithm. They have that black and white text that we know works very well with TikTok videos. It allows this to get a lot of views. It's centered perfectly to where it's not blocking anything on the actual buttons if you're looking at this on mobile. And they're simply just showing off the actual gym leggings that they have. And lots of people in the comment section end up seeing these leggings and wanting to actually purchase them from them. And they say, here's some people saying, I need new leggings, and they haven't restocked in 6 weeks. So now people are really wanting to buy. This is also creating additional FOMO. And then somebody says, please restock in the burgundy color. These are always sold out. What color is this one? Been waiting for the restock for a while. And people are literally asking, when can they get these? They need them. People want to buy them. They want to find them. And everybody wants them to restock, because you can see that they're quite literally selling out these leggings every single video that they're posting. And these videos, you know, this one only got 5,800 likes, but so many people are actually commenting that they want to make a purchase. Videos like these can send, you know, tons of people to your site, and you can quite literally see just from a video with 5,000 likes drive $10,000 to $20,000, $30,000 in sales. And that's the exact type of thing that we're seeing with our clients. It's super raw form content that works really well on TikTok, and keeping it short, keeping it simple. You don't have to have all these crazy budgets towards the video. It can quite literally be just a very raw format video that was shot within 5 to 7 seconds and posted. And on these accounts, you'll see that, you know, they're posting videos like this quite frequently. And these types of videos are getting lots of, you know, consistent views, and people are going to the website and making purchases because of it. And they're asking, which gym fit are you choosing? And people are going to be commenting which one they want, and they're going to be going to the website and actually making a purchase. Their link is right there. So people are going organically to their page, seeing these videos, commenting that they wanting them, and then they're going to the site to see that either they've already sold out from a previous video, or that they're available and they're purchasing it to where you can quite literally sell out your store. And it's pretty incredible if you really think about it, because you're not going to have to spend any money on ads, and you can quite literally be seeing these incredible sell days. Now, I'm sure I just blew your mind that you can quite literally create a video as simple as those, get tons of views, tons of comments and interactions, and send all these people to your site and potentially have 30,000 in sales every single day from having videos like this go out on your TikTok page. And this is a strategy we're using with our clients, and it's really successful. And you don't have to be super crazy with the videos. As long as you're posting consistent videos like that and you're keeping it real, you're going to start to see and reap the benefits of the results. In my Ads Mastery program, we work one-on-one with you as a mentorship, and we've literally worked in over 250 plus niches, and we've scaled 300 to 600 brands to the 6 and 7 figure mark. And literally collectively across our agency and all of our clients have generated over $1 billion in sales, which is a pretty crazy number. But when you work with so many brands, you're able to achieve, you know, an insane amount of volume this way. And I really do hope that you take a chance to actually go check it out, because there's so much value that we're giving, and we're breaking down step by step with you in this actual program how to actually execute these strategies and achieve incredible results in sales. So if you are interested in strategies like this one today, make sure to go to my Instagram and DM me the word mentor, so that way we can personally reach out to you and share more information about how the program actually works. And just for example, we have videos like Curtis, who is a student of the actual Ads Mastery program, and Curtis quite literally went from 0 to 2 million in sales, and that was all within his first year. We quite literally scaled him up, showed him these exact strategies, and he's absolutely crushing it. Or you have somebody like Mike, who's also following these strategies and is literally on track to do 50K per month with his actual agency, where he's achieving results like this too. And at the end of the day, not every e-commerce brand or individual is able to become a multi-millionaire. It does take hard work, but what I am saying is I'm sharing the honest strategies that we're using and our clients are using to be successful. And so I want you to be able to have the tools in your arsenal to be able to achieve results as well. So now the ball is in your court. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, then I know you're an ambitious learner and you're looking for more. So go ahead and click this video here. I hand selected it for you.